In this video, we're going to be covering how to use subplots in matplotlib using seaborn. So basically, we are going to be using a data frame, as you can see here. This is just the head of a data frame, so we can see all the columns. And so what I want to do is create one plot, a single plot, subplots, instead of multiple different plots in different areas. So this is very nice for data visualization because you cluster all your plots in the same area. So going over this code right here, we set up our fig and then our axes. So this is our number of columns and this is our number of rows. So we want to do 6 subplots. So we see here that we've grabbed 6 columns from the data frame. So we're going to have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plots. And just for to make the code a little bit faster, we're going to run it on 400 items out of the data frame. So that's going to just speed up our plot. And so essentially, we're going to iterate through each column, and then we're going to create a scatter plot, and our ax identifies which axis we want to. So we can set a pointer equals 0, and basically every time this loop runs, it's going to go acousticness I equals 0. It's going to plot acousticness, and then I is going to equal 1 after that iteration, and then we're going to plot danceability. And so the axis basically specifies your columns. If you're working with, say you were working with 3 and 2, we'd have to do, in here we'd have to do a J. So we'd have to have a different pointer that once iterated through 3, we'd point it to the next row. So if we go ahead and run this code, we see that it prints out subplots. Sweet. And they're different values, as you can see in here. So this is nice for visualizing it all. And so you can lower your fixed size up here. So we want to do 6 and say 14. We're going to cluster, they get clustered closer together. So now say we want to add a title, we can do .set underscore title. Alright, title. Alright, so what this code is going to do, we line up our columns. So we'll increase the figure size so we can see this. But this is going to make acousticness title test 1, so we can change this to acousticness and stability, and then blah blah blah. So if we run this code, you're going to see that it's going to plot the title for each plot. So that's super nice. So basically, we're able to visualize all our data at once instead of having to create multiple plots by just copy and pasting. So this saves a lot of time.